One thing I see in mounts, guys will take their mount home like a deer head and think you never have to clean it or take it down and take care of it, but that's not the way it works. I mean, you need to take that deer down at least once a year, take a vacuum cleaner, vacuum it off, or an air hose, blow it off. And what I use is a mixture of alcohol and a little bath oil called Skin So Soft. Mix you a little bath oil in with the alcohol and spray it on the hair, brush it, and it brings a sheen back to your hair. You can also brush it on the antlers, and it brings some of the color back in the antlers. It keeps them oiled, it keeps them fresh looking. And there's a couple of there's some insects that get in fur-bearing mounts. They eat the fur because the fur's got protein in it. A dermicidal beetle, that's the worst enemy of a mount. And the best chemical for that is a product called Biffin. It's used in gardens. You can spray your house, your garage. It's just an insecticide that works real well for that. You put 1 tablespoon per gallon of water, and you can mist that on your mount after you get him clean and groomed, and just give him a fine mist of that all over the hair side, on the back side of it, and that should keep all your insect problems off of your mount.